Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use photographic styles on iPhone 16. Let's have a look. First, open camera app on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Tap the photographic style icon in the top right corner. It's look like a square box with dots in it. Simply swipe left or right on the viewfinder to preview the different styles until you find one that you would like to use. Swipe on the square box to adjust the look, feel and tone. You can also adjust the temperature by dragging the slider left and right. Tap shutter button on bottom right to capture the photo, or tap back button on bottom left to save the preferences. Now tap shutter button to capture the photo. So these are the steps to use photographic styles on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.